Good morning, Room 10 Super Kids. Today is Friday, May 22nd, 2020. Today is an official half day of school, and Monday is also a holiday, Memorial Day. So you have a 3.5 day weekend. Enjoy. It's day 168 of school, and here's your insect joke for today. Why did the beetle get kicked out of the park? Because he was a litter bug. Today, there is no homeschool journal. I want you to spend your writing time writing your interesting fact page. You're going to copy it from your rough draft. Then choose one of the interesting facts that you want to illustrate. And if you need labels, make some labels. There's also, it looks like a bee and a flower to color as well. And as always, if you need more paper, you have extra paper attached. So I was going to tell you too, this pen, some of you have them and some of you don't, but you can use this pen to outline, make any labels you want on this paper. Sharpie usually goes through, but if you have this pen and you want to outline your drawings or write labels with this, do that. Now, any words that you put before you put marker on top, make sure they've been edited by mom or dad, okay? You don't want to go over with marker and then it be eek. Yeah. Today you're also going to be spending about 20 minutes on Lexia. I hope you're doing well on that and feel like you've accomplished a lot. You're also, if you did not finish your review test from yesterday, in math, you're going to do that as well. And I posted the video again so you can work through it. Remember, you can pause it when you need to. We're starting a mini fairy tale unit. So on the Zoom, I'll be reading you, they're called Twisted Fairy Tales. They're like regular fairy tales, only they take a little twist from the normal. And also there's a fairy tale activity on Seesaw. On that activity, it wants you to write what you know about fairy tales first and then watch the video. And the video says you'll be writing a fairy tale. We won't. We don't have time this year, but we will be talking about them and reading them a lot. Last, you're going to be doing an oral presentation for your insect report. It'll be about 2 minutes. You'll videotape yourself on Seesaw, or if you can't make a video on Seesaw, you're going to email that to me. And look for the information on the insect oral report. Look for that on Seesaw, and that's where you can post it. It will be there every day. It is due next Friday, so you have a whole week to get that ready. All right, now it's time for words every third grader should know. Here are the 2 words. We've talked about them before, but I want to talk about them again. It's and its. Definitely homophones. They sound exactly the same, but they do not mean the same. And actually, not a true homophone. It's not spelled the same. So, here we go. ITS, its, ownership. IT''S equals it is. Now, the reason this is so tricky is because usually we put ''S behind anything we want to show ownership. So, it could be Jerry's shoes. And it shows that I own or have the shoes. ''S. But this one doesn't. Remember, there's other ways to use apostrophe? That's right, to make contractions. Contraction is a squeeze. And they squeezed out this I. See how it's missing? And they made a new word. You're going to have to remember, as you read a sentence or as you write a sentence, am I saying it is? Then I want to use IT''S. But if I want to show ownership, like a bug's antennae, its antennae, not it is antennae. Okay? This one is the one that shows ownership this time. All right. That's the end of words every third grader should know. Have a great day.